going to read you. Are you okay with another body song? I never read these body songs that much, so now I'm kind of getting used to it. So this one is called Body Song for Savoring. Do you know, does anyone feel like they ever were like Superman or Superwoman? No? Really? Yes, thank goodness someone felt that way. Okay, so I've often thought that we should have funerals for Superwomen and Superman because like I'm really tired of being Superwoman and now I'm not competent anymore because I can't even multitask. Anyways, this is called Body Song for Savoring. Enough is enough. It is way too much doing, thinking, producing, and thinking about doing more when it may be time to do less and be less. Lesson, and here is the lesson. You have already produced more beauty, generosity, and work through one creative endeavor or another for several lifetimes, knowing that you have already done enough. And now is the time to not to mention children you have raised, parents you have attended to, gardens you have planted literally and metaphorically, and brought more people, projects, and passions to ripening than can be counted. You are past counting, and now it is the time to be countless and perhaps be a countess. Relax into the place of knowing that you have already done enough. Now is the time to savor. Savor all the ways you have worked with your whole heart, loved with your whole heart, mothers, fathers, siblings, friends, children's lovers, spouses, and even those who have left your life through natural or unnatural causes. Accept all your luxurious beauty of soulfulness that has wrapped you around those who hold in your heart, and all the efforts you have made to follow meaning in the world through work, words, worries, and wantings. Vibrate with all that is going through you, the rise and fall of internal waves, crashes of questions, hormonal fluctuations in a sea of ripenings. Own both your shortcomings and accomplishments, which means to name and rename who you are and what you have done. Don't dismiss. It is in the light of living into the unknown. Others own all your wonder. It is time for you to own it too. Relinquish the need to be Superwoman or Superman. Have a funeral for doing too much and celebrate not doing in some way. Enjoy being and know you are being formed into a wise one. You are being called to drink from the cup of serene. Each gesture is an act of love, a counteraction to a world of overdoing, an addiction to doing one more thing, when all along the love in your eyes, the way you behold who and what you love is the fragrance of the one who gave the beautiful scent of you. Thank you.